Here are 5 must-have tools for beginning gardeners. Let's dig in. If you want a rake you can actually use in the garden, try this half rake. This gets into all those small places without tearing up your perennials or breaking your shrubs. A trowel is a very important purchase. You don't want those cheap stamped ones you get at the loony store. You want something that's made from stainless steel and is welded on. This is a trowel that's going to last you a lifetime, and you're going to be able to dig with it for years to come. Most new gardeners spend way too much time hand weeding and ruining their nails. You're much better off to get a cultivator, scratch up that weedy patch, and it's so much easier to pull your weeds, roots and all. Sometimes the trowel is just a little too small to get the job done. This mini shovel is perfect for transplanting perennials, or if you need to work in a container or pot, it's ideal. Secateurs or hand pruners are the most important purchase you'll make, and these Felco 5s are meant to last you a lifetime. They're easy to use and they have very accurate cutting edges. And they're also the same ones that I use. This pair is 10 years old now.